Okay, next examples are more complicated. So we want to take limit carefully to find the derivative of this fractional function or this function involving square root. Okay, so by definition, f prime is limit f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So our function, look at this, our function, f of something is 2 over something plus 3. So we are following the definition. So f of something is 2 over something plus 3. So this is f of x plus h minus f of something is 2 over something plus 3. Quite complicated. Well, somehow we will reduce and simplify this expression and then take limit. Now that we have difference of two fractional expressions, we can use common denominator. So common denominator is simply product of two denominators. For the first guy, we multiplied copy of x plus 3. So we have 2x plus 3 minus. For the second guy, you are multiplying copy of this. So for this type of algebra, you need to use this parenthesis carefully. So let me emphasize this. So using parenthesis is very important not to make any mistake. Look at this numerator. We have canceling pairs. First of all, you can cancel 2x minus 2x. And then 2 times 3 minus 2 times 3. After canceling, we have quite simple expression. So we have negative 2 times h over some long denominator over h. Well, for this iterated fractional expression, you may want to use the property. Say you have a over b over c over d. Then you can cancel if you have common factor in this a or c. Actually, this h is h over 1. Now we have common factor h. So you can cancel this copy of h. So what's left is, well, we have negative 2 over this expression, and now that h is approaching, tends to 0, we have negative 2 over x plus 3 times x plus 3. That's it. That's the derivative. So f prime is negative 2 over x plus 3 squared. So it turns out that this function has derivative of this. Well, I should say we expect this level of difficulty in exam 1. So when you take exam 1, you need to practice carefully to be able to calculate derivative of function like this. Actually, if you look at the past common exam, you can visit department webpage to see past common exam. Then you will see almost every exam asks similar problem like this or this. So that is the level of expectation. Okay, number 2. For this function, you want to take limit g g of x plus h minus g of x over h. So following the definition, g of something is phi plus something inside radical. So phi plus something inside square root minus phi plus something inside radical over h. Okay, so you want to get rid of this square root. Then you expect some canceling, and then you can simplify. So to do this, you multiply conjugate of this. So square root phi plus x plus h plus phi plus x over exactly the same expression. Because we want entire expression to be 1. Again, using parentheses is important. So this numerator becomes square of this minus square of this. So 5 plus x plus h minus 5 plus x over long denominator h times whatever. So as we expected, we have canceling pair. This 5 is gone and this x is gone. So what's left is h. Of course, you can cancel this h with this h. So further canceling, then what's left is 1 over this long expression. And now h is approaching 0. So we have 2 copies of 5 plus x inside square root. That's it. So this is 1 over 2 square root 5 plus x. So this is derivative of the function. Again, so you need to practice carefully to be able to take limit of those functions and find derivative. So as you see, expressions are quite long and complicated, so you need to use parentheses appropriately not to make any mistake.